Welcome to this intense 5-minute HIIT ab workout. We're jumping straight into the warm-up with some walkouts. You're going to walk your hands back to your leg, make it cute, and then walk your hands all the way out till you're in a plank position, and then walk your hands back. After this, we're jumping straight into the exercises. So if you're already warmed up, go straight ahead. If you're not warmed up, pause the video, warm up for a minute, and come back. I have warm up for you in the description. Our first move of the day is an air bike. You want your lower back to stay nice and flat on the mat, and you're just going to make nice big circles in the air with your legs, as if you're riding a bicycle on your back. You want your toes nice and pointed as you're doing this. Excellent. Make sure that lower back is flat on the mat. Perfect. You're doing awesome. You can support your head with your arms so that you don't have tension in your neck. You want your abs to do all the work. And time. That was awesome. You're going to stand up and give me some clapjacks. I told you this workout is not here to play with you. This workout is to get you in and out fast. You're going to jump your feet out and clap, jump your feet out and then clap. Don't worry about being perfect with this. Just keep moving. Let's go. Nice job. You look so good. You look like a pro. Keep going. Keep that soft bend in your knee. Go at your own pace. You're doing good. You're doing good. I like it. I like it a lot. And time. You're going back to the floor. We are doing knee tucks. Don't quit just yet. Don't give up. Come on. We just started. I promise you this workout is almost done. It's just 5 minutes. You can do it. You want your arms nice and wide. Lower back on the mat. And you're bringing your knee towards your chin. You want your feet together as you're doing this. Nice controlled movement. Extend your leg all the way out and then bring your knee towards your chin. Relax your arms. No tension in your upper body. Perfect. You're almost there. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. You're almost there. One more. Yes. Good job. You're going to stand up again. If you're unable to do jumping jacks, you can do step jacks, which is the modification you see on the right where you're stepping instead of jumping. After this, I'm giving you a break. Nice quick break. Let's go. Do your best. Keep that soft bend in your knee. Suck your stomach in. Nice big motion with your arms. You're doing this for a reason. Don't forget that. I am just so proud of you, honestly. 3, 2, 1, and time. Go ahead and catch your breath. I'll be back after the break. Hi, just in case you're new here, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola, and I am married. I have a son with my husband. Now we live in Texas. I love pizza with no tomato sauce. I am a certified personal trainer. I am also certified in nutrition, and I wanted to personally invite you to check out my website, KabokoFitness.com. On there, you can find an all-inclusive, all-access pass to all of my workouts, and this includes premium 30-minute workouts that are not available on YouTube, my 8-week booty program, my 21-day belly fat focus program, and get this, your whole year of workouts planned for you, January through December. You never have to think about it ever again. You can access all this content directly from my website by logging in, or you can download the iPhone app or the Android app and just have everything in one place in your pocket. It's so convenient. Go ahead and check out my website, KabokoFitness.com. It's totally free to try, so give it a shot. See if it's right for you. Welcome back. We are going into a bouncing plank. You're going to be in an elbow plank position, and you want a gentle, soft up and down motion that's controlled by your abs. You're just going up and down, very gentle movement, but it's so powerful. You will feel this in your abs. Bring your hips down just a little bit more. Beautiful. You can intersect your fingers to give you more stability in your upper body as you do this. 10 seconds to go. After this, you have one more movement, and that's the end of the workout. Can you believe it? Our last move of the day is mountain climbers. You're just going to bring your knee in as much as you can, suck your stomach in, and just move at your own pace. There's no cool down after this. This is it. So give me everything you've got. Come back and work out with me again tomorrow, but let's just survive this next 25 seconds. Keep going, you can do it. It's the end. You made it. This 5-minute HIIT ab workout was an intense one. It was a lot, but you did it. Keep going, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Pull your knee in, move, suck your abs in. I am so proud of your effort. Hey, this is it, this is it, this is it. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and time. You did it. You actually did it. Wow. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Tell your friends and family about Koboko Fitness, and come to a 10-minute workout with me tomorrow. I am so happy that you are here.